Welcome to Accurex YouTube channel. So today we have brought the product called Accurex Finger Pulse Oximeter. So this product basically used to measure the oxygen level or oxygen saturation level of the blood. So basically it is painless, easy to use. So how to operate it, you can see in the next video. Before that, we will see what are the components come inside the box. So inside the kit, first we have the QC certified card, user manual for oximeter, and two AAA battery. Okay. So next we will see how to operate this instrument. So now the battery has been inserted. Now just turn on the machine. In display you can see there are two options. One is oxy saturation level of oxygen. Second is the heart rate. How to operate this instrument? Just insert the finger. Okay. Turn on the instrument and wait for few seconds. Okay, so here you can see the 99 level is the oxygen saturation level and 76 is the heart rate. So in this way you can get the results within 10 seconds.